So you might have clicked on this video to know about DSA. Maybe you are a beginner on this, and maybe you are a class 10 student, 11 or 12, or maybe a working professional not working in the IT hub. But this video will help you know about DSA, which is data structures and algorithms. Let's go. So here in this case one, first you need to know what is data structures and algorithms. In order to give you an example on this, first is you have in the case you think that you are in a restaurant, and in the restaurant you want to buy in order, suppose samosa, you want to buy an samosa, and in that the menu is previewed on the table, and you keep on searching from line to line in the samosa, and then you find the samosa. And let me give you another example. In the case I give you a dictionary and I give you a word, suppose programming. You go in the dictionary and search for the word P and O. In that segment you find the programming word. So this is very easy and convenient, but in the way you see in the menu, you see by linear method. So these are two examples. In this way the menu thing is a linear search, we call it as linear search, and in the way you search the dictionary, the word programming, that is binary. The words which you have particularly given and you are searching from that is called binary search. So this is linear and binary search. So in this year or this era of 22 generation, we have just seen only binary search. Everybody is working on binary. So this is the major or the best method to search any particular thing. So this is how the data is getting collected or getting retrieved or informated. So this is the main purpose or the main ethical way in which you search your data. So everything is working on binary now. And in the case if you were a child, you would continue going with the linear method, and it would take lots of time to search just for the word of programming. And in the case if I give you a bag full of dictionary, and each slip given with the word and its meaning, then it would take most probably hours until you find, or you get even lucky to find the word. So this is main or the best example given by this dictionary word. So everything works on binary now. In order to learn DSA, you need to learn object-oriented programming language. You may be learning Java, or maybe JavaScript, maybe Python, or maybe C++. So if you are a very beginner and you want to get into this very easily, or a beginner, so I would consider using Python. So please consider Python using, or maybe learn Python to continue with DSA. Just because Python is a very object-oriented language, it is a very basic language, and it is very easy to code. In order to way you are in an interview and you have just 45 minutes to get into the code and to solve the question, Python helps you a lot in that. So here I am going to suggest you an online course route for the DSA. So it is offered by Princeton University, and it is given by Coursera, and it is in algorithms of part 1 and part 2. So you can go through this, and it gives a complete breakdown of what is actually and how actually data structure works on, and why is algorithms why so important. So this is the best of the best and is offered in Java. So I have many better courses if you complete the video, and in later on I will give you the courses which are in C++ and Python, and also as in this JavaScript. Mistake 1 is overlearning. The way in which they teach is very fast, and you have to understand the complete meaning. You have to understand everything given in that, and don't overlearn. The first is first, don't overlearn. You have to wait, you have to understand it. Maybe until week 3, these are the best thing you ought to, if you want to go and attend an interview, and the other weeks are not very important. Maybe these are important, but the first 3 weeks are very important. Don't overthink, don't overlearn, but just go on through it and master this 3 weeks first. Anyway, the surprise is here. If you are not a JavaScript language programmer, here are some few courses given from Udacity for the Python course and another for C++. So you can go through this for the DSA. The second big mistake is overconfidence. After learning this DSA, you might think you may bend the world, or you may do anything, or you may crack any job. Maybe Netflix, maybe Google, maybe Facebook, maybe Amazon. But this is not the case, my friend. This is the big mistake, or the second big mistake done by most of the learners. So you have to apply into the lesser oriented jobs, or maybe lesser graded jobs, or maybe this is not into your mind, but you have to get, in the case you need to get a work experience, or you need to get basic experience on DSA. You have to just apply on the fewer companies, or maybe that is not in your mind, but this will help you a lot advancing or the enhancing into the better companies. So this is the second case which you may do wrong, you may go wrong. So third thing is rejection. If you get any rejections from the company, don't get discouraged, keep applying. This is the smaller steps for you to achieve a greater success. And this is all about DSA. Maybe this has helped you about the courses also, and to learn from where and what is the DSA full form. And keep achieving your success, and subscribe my channel. That's it for today. Bye bye.